Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Brothers and sisters, we are now in the sacred month of Rajab, the seventh month of the Islamic calendar. It is about this month that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He mentions in the Quran, إِنَّ عِدَّةَ الشُّهُورِ عِنْدَ اللَّهِ اثْنَا عَشَرَ شَهْرًا فِي كِتَابِ اللَّهِ. That with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala there are 12 months. 4 of them are sacred. مِنْهَا أَرْبَعَةٌ حُرُمٌ. And from those sacred months is the month of Rajab. What is the virtue of the month of Rajab? Firstly, any good act that we do is magnified manifold. And similarly, any sin that we commit is also magnified manifold. At the time of the Prophet ﷺ, even the kuffar of Quraysh and the other tribes, the neighboring Arab tribes, they also used to venerate this month. So much so that it was also known as Rajab al-Mudar. And Mudar was a tribe that used to venerate this month so much that they used to refrain from committing evil acts. So in this month we should try and do those things which are pleasing to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and refrain from those things which He dislikes. Ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that He makes us from those who obey Him and commit those acts which are pleasing to Him, and to refrain from committing those acts which are displeasing to Him. هذا والله أعلم وصلى الله على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين.